Hi Laleta, welcome to E Times. How are you today?
Thank you. How are you?
I'm good too. Laleta, we have seen you effortlessly playing all the characters you have given, and Maricar was no different. But tell us about the kind of preparations you did, considering this was based on a historical character.
Before that, I'm happy that Marika will premiere on Amazon Video across India. After being screened in theaters, we are excited to showcase the movie to a wider audience in India with Amazon Prime Video. Nothing called challenge when we made this film. Our challenge was to do this movie in 106 days. That also not planned, but we took only 106 days to complete this film. To make a movie of this grandeur, we need minimum 6 months to 1 year. So to compress that film into 106 days was our challenge, and we succeeded in that.
Also, Laleta, earlier you had done this amazing movie with Priyadarshan sir, which is Kala Pani, and that too was a historical drama. Did working on such a kind of movie help you guys in any way, in telling this grandeur?
Kala Pani was around 25 years back.
Yeah.
So after Kala Pani, we had a plan of making Marika. But that time it was not possible. To do a movie like Marika, we have to take the movie abroad for this computer graphics. And the cost factor, you cannot imagine that kind of cost will come. So we waited 25 years to make this film.
All right. Also, I watched the movie in the cinemas, and it was quite an experience, especially after the pandemic, going back to theaters and watching such a huge movie on the big screens was an experience on its own. One of the best factors about Maricar, I think, was the action sequences. It was well choreographed. Tell us more about the training process of the, how was the training for the action sequences? Also, tell us, what were the kind of challenges you faced while, filming this action sequences?
Action sequences, war sequences were challenging factors because it is not that easy. And it is not to make it more real. It should be make believe also. Right? It should be real also. So for that, we use that kind of props. When you watch the film, you should believe in it. So those kind of props we made, and that was again a challenging factor. And no preparation, of course. That is an action sequence. When you choreograph, you need preparation. To do actions on the ship was little difficult. So we created that shape, water, everything, and the fire. It is not like any other films, which we need time and space for that. I cannot call it as a very tough thing, but it took more of time, and that is the thing.
Also, Laleta, it has been over 4 decades since you and Priyadarshan sir had entered into the movie industry, and over the years, your collaboration with him has delivered such amazing films. Most of them were blockbusters. But at this point, when you two are collaborating for a film, what are the challenges that you face? Are there any? Also, what are the challenges except the kind of expectation from the audience?
That was the biggest challenge, expectations from the audience. We have to cater them also. That was a challenge. It's not for the audience we make films. We make films for us, our satisfaction. Our satisfaction will definitely cater the audience satisfaction also. And if our satisfaction and audience satisfaction or expectations are some of in the same line, we are happy. If it goes down, then unhappy. And if it goes above the line, we are super happy. So with the Marika, we are super happy because we made a film of this grandeur with this special effect, with this you can call this kind of actors. It is not that easy to make a film from Malayalam.
Yeah,
That was our challenge, but we cannot call it as a challenge. That was our fire, our passion, and we made a film like this.
Great. Lalita, while watching the movie, the favorite part for me was the kind of connection, Kunyali Marikkar had with his mom. What was your favorite part about the film?
Definitely, that's a beautiful scene where he is describing about his dream to Prabhu. So every day I have a dream. Every day I'm dreaming about my mother. She's calling me from other bank of kind of river. It's like a milky river. She's sitting on the other side and calling me. One day I have to go there. It is a beautiful way of telling. He has to go from this planet. He's expecting something like
reunite
that.
With
it's
mother.
A kind of premonition happening in Kunyali Marikkar. And it is the beautiful scene of beautiful relationship of Kunyali and his mother. And whenever he is going to face a problem, there will be a call from his mother. Those are it is a beautiful connection.
Yeah. And it was, I don't want to give any spoilers, but
right.
I loved the way, it started and entered with his mom.
I was about to tell that I don't want to reveal those kind of things.
Yeah, me neither. Before we wrap up, Lalita, this is not something related to the movie, but I'm very curious to know about this. You have played countless characters on screen, ranging from the anti-hero to hero, characters that have gray shade, and you got to live many lives, even though it is in front of the camera, and experience the magnitude of emotions, and know people closely from all walks of life. So does this sort of experience in any way influence you as a person? Because does that make you a better person than you were yesterday?
Yesterday, I don't know. Today, I'm a better person. Tomorrow, I don't know. Like, definitely, it is your surroundings, your friends, your profession, your thought process. Everything is a factor. Everything will give you, everything is give you a kind of molding your character. Everything will help you to mold your character. But I don't know. It's not knowingly, unknowingly, it would have been influenced me a lot.
Because that kind of, for a normal person, you will have to live, that kind of years to get that sort of experience. But for you are,
every day is a new day for me, new costumes, new characters, new dialogue. So it's a beautiful celebration of life. I'm enjoying it. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your time, Lalita, and all the best for the digital premiere of Marikkar.
Thank you very much. Thank you.